Holding strong, brothers and sisters, Ape and Apettes. I hope you all are having a great day. I'm out here digging ditches. Man, hedgies need some stitches. This is ridiculous what they've been getting rid of, away with at the American people's expense. For far too long, it's been going unnoticed, but now because of the ape community, now because people are finally getting the courage to stand out, now finally when people slip up and accidentally say #naked shorts, synthetic shares, it's coming into the light, my fellow ape and apettes. Hold the line. I'm out here doing what I do best, getting my little garden going to be self-sufficient. Next, I want to try to get a grant to get a wind turbine. If anyone could help me with that information, that'd be great. And once I get this level, we're going to set up the pool for the kids, and we're going to have a little oasis back here for them. That's what makes it easy for me to hodl, because I come from nothing. And I don't want my kids to dig ditches if they don't have to or want to. And there's nothing wrong. We need ditch diggers. But at the same time, the 1% and the super elite and the rich, the ones, the privileged, and it has nothing to do with skin color, race, and that's nothing like that. This has to do with monetary issues, monopolies. It has to do with the 99% of us being held back and paying for the 1%, and the 1% not paying their fair share, the 1% getting away with things through loopholes. If me and you, like the one attorney said, Christian, if I would accidentally hand a teller a counterfeit dollar bill, I'd be in jail, and I'd be sitting there for years waiting to get in front of a judge, because I don't have that type of money. But it's okay to steal millions and billions from the American people and then get bailed out once again by the American people. The Fed, #stop the treason, #naked shorting, #we need a change, #believe, #hold the line, and #margin calls. I'm out here, got a dirt to dig. I know it's going up and down, folks. Get away from the computer. Go enjoy some time outside. Do something, get your mind off it, because if you are glued to that screen, watching the FUD, watching the ticker all day, they're going to get you. They're going to get you. Take some time for you. Take some care of your mental health. Make sure you're taking care of your family. And then, like I keep telling everyone, family first. And time is the most valuable commodity you can never get back. So try to enjoy some of that, and patience will bring profits. If you have God and family and all that in order, everything else is going to fall into place. It's going to come to lights. The lights are on. They can't hide. They're hiding behind the furniture like little cockroaches as we move them around, hiding from the light. The light is coming. Okay, there's only a couple pieces of furniture left they got to hide behind. Or they're going to try to bring the whole damn house down. Either way, you know it. Do your due diligence. Hold the line. Be strong. Ape out.